So in this video, I'll be showing you how to enable or disable the keyboard sounds on your Samsung Galaxy A06. So the first step is to start by unmuting your phone. And then from here, you want to now open the Settings app. And in Settings, select the option Sounds and Vibration. From here, tap on System Sound. And then you should see the option for Samsung Keyboard. So to enable the sounds, ensure that this toggle has been enabled like that. And then you have this slider that you can use to adjust the sound volume for your system sounds. So this also includes the Samsung keyboard. So once you've done all of that, you want to now try testing out the keyboard. So bring up the keyboard and then press on any random keys. And as you press, you should be able to hear that specific sound. Alternatively, if you want to disable the keyboard sound, you can tap on the toggle like that. And then now, when you go to type something out, you'll no longer be able to hear the system sound coming from your keyboard. You can also choose to just put your phone in mute if you're fine with disabling or muting all your system sounds from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.